Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this live stream we are going to do the live trading of crude oil. Okay, so crude oil is an instrument which is actually traded till 11:30 p.m. So people who have a primary job in the morning, 9 to 5 job or a primary business, they can take advantage of this opportunity and they can trade in crude oil because the Nifty closes at 3:30 p.m. So that's why crude oil, crude oil and natural gas, these commodities are available till 11:30 p.m. So that's why today we are going to do the live trading of crude oil. Okay, so I hope my voice is clear. Just give me a minute to confirm. Okay, everything looks good. So this video is going to be very important because along with live crude oil trading we are going to analyze some stocks as well. Okay, so just give me a minute, let me just do little bit of setup. Okay, yep, it's better now. So yes, we are good to go. So this is crude oil's chart in 30 minutes time frame, but before that I want to give you a big picture view which is very important. So I'll go to monthly time frame first. Okay, so let me clear all these drawings so that you can get a better view. Okay, let me remove all the drawings. So you can see crude oil did hit a low of less than 1000, I think less than 900. Okay, 900 rupees during the COVID crash. Okay, this is March. Okay, after that it bounced back very nicely. Okay, then now it is getting little bit of pullback, but the interesting thing is that the pullback might be over. Okay, or it is just coming to an end and we might be getting to see the continuation of uptrend pretty soon. And why I am saying that, let me just show you. Okay, I am using the fib retracement tool here to draw the lines. Okay, I have drawn. So I have used this one as the top and this one as the bottom. Okay, and you can clearly see that crude oil after hitting this level has come to this place, and this level is this is the level which we should always keep track of, and that is 0.5 level. Okay, it is coming close to 0.5 level, and if we are getting to see slight strong price action here, it will clearly indicate that the downtrend is over and crude oil might start going up very soon. Okay, because whenever an asset or security stays above 0.5 level, fib retracement level, then it can be considered that it is in strong uptrend. Okay, if it stays above 0.618 level, then it is in very strong uptrend. Okay, if it goes below 0.5 and stays above 0.382 level, then we can call that the trend is weak, and after touching the 0.382 level, it is not going to continue its long term uptrend. Okay, it will go little bit up and again give a pullback at somewhere around 0.5 or 0.618, and then it can go up. Okay, this is what this is the characteristics of all the assets. So here we are getting to see that the price after hitting a high of this level around 10,000, it has now come down to 5,400, and slowly the downtrend looks to be getting weaker and weaker. Okay, so in order to get a better view, what we are going to do is zoom into the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and you can see that after touching this line we got to see 4 weeks of bullish price action, straight 4 weeks, that is 1 month. Okay, this is the big move, and then again it consolidated again we are getting to see two big green candles, and now the candles that we see here in this level has long wicks. All the candles have long wicks, which is clearly telling us that the buyers are slowly getting more and more power, and very soon it might start going up and hit this level. Okay, hit this level of, you know, this is around 6,500. okay, currently the current price is 5,917. okay, so let me just go into little bit deeper in daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, and I have initiated a trade just now. I'll just show you why I did that. So you can see this is the daily time frame, and you can see the price action here. okay, down, up, down, up, down, and finally again up. okay, and I can clearly see the opportunity to draw a trend line like this. okay, I can draw a trend line. I have connected all these points, this one, obviously this one will also be counted, and these two, and you can see that we are getting to see the trend line break here. okay, in daily time frame. okay, right. So if the price stays above this, then definitely it is going to go up. okay, it is definitely going to go up. Now what we are going to do is we are going to zoom into 4 hours time frame to get even a better picture. okay, get a clearer view what is going on. So as soon as I switch to 4 hours time frame, I can see this. okay, I can see this hammer pattern which is pushing the price, or we can say which is keeping the price above this trend line. okay, earlier this was acting as resistance, it hit this trend line, it came down, and now it did try to break this trend line, and it was halted at this candle, 4 hours candle, but then it was broken, and now by this hammer candle it is staying above it, which is a good thing. okay, it clearly means that the uptrend has almost started. okay, but obviously we will act on confirmation. So I have initiated an early trade. Normally what we should do is we should wait for the day's close. okay, so if I draw this trend line and I see that this candle is closing above the trend line, then I ideally need to wait for one more candle. I need to see a candle, even if it's a red candle, it's okay, but it should not cross the middle of this the body of the previous candle. okay, then we can say that the uptrend has started, and immediately in the next opening day I should initiate the trade. okay, but I have already taken a position right now because I feel confident, and also I have taken just the minimum quantities. okay, so that's why it is fine. So let me show you the platform where I am doing this paper trade. okay, and this is front page. okay, you can note down this side, front page, you can check it out. In fact, I have also started using it today only, and I feel it's a good one. okay, as of now it's the feedback is good. I did not find anything which is saying that it's a trial, you have a trial period or anything. I don't see anything like that. So as of now things are going good. I have initiated the trade here, crude oil 19 July in futures. okay, 100 quantity, this is the minimum one, and the amount invested is this one, 2,41,000. okay, and this is my current profit and loss. okay, right, and my buying price was I think 5,935, I guess. okay, so I purchased at 5,935 and current price is 5,920. okay, it is giving slight a pullback. okay, so coming back to the charts, so crude oil is most probably going to give a breakout, and now we are going to find out where we could take our profit. okay, so I will switch to 4 hours time frame once again. okay, so I have switched to 4 hours time frame. So in order to find in an achievable target or a practical target, what I am going to do, I am going to use the fib retracement tool again. okay, I am going to use the fib retracement tool. So this is the high, this is the low. okay, let me just highlight which one I have selected as high and low. This one I have selected as high, this one as low. okay, and I will take profit either at 1.414 or 1.618 or 2. okay, let me just show you where those ratios are. Let me clear this. So here it is. So 1.41 is 6156. let's see where it is. okay, you can clearly see that it is aligning at this resistance level. Let me draw a blue line here. Okay, I hope it's visible. So we can clearly see that 1.414 ratio is clearly aligning with the resistance area of this one. So this will be a very good target. Okay, so I have initiated the trade here, and I will keep stop loss, as I already mentioned many times that we should keep the stop loss just below 0.382. Actually the stop loss is little bit high here. It's not necessary. We can ideally keep it here as it is, you know, we are entering here and the price is already staying above 0.618, so we can keep the stop loss here just under 0.5 level, or you can see that we can see this red candlestick, we can just keep below it. Okay, so let's see if we keep the stop loss there, then what will be our profit loss. Okay, so we have initiated trade here, stop loss is just below here and target is here. Okay, so it is 1.3:1. So normally 1:1 also the trades are taken, but it is 1.3. It's not a bad trade. Okay, it's a good one and you can proceed with it. And if you are an aggressive trader, you can also keep your stop loss just below this candle. Okay, let me show you, just below this hammer you can keep. Okay, because it is providing support, so you can keep your stop loss there. Then the ratio becomes 1.84. okay, 1.84:1. You are risking 1 rupees for 1.84 rupees profit. Okay, so that is how the ratio is for now. So the trade has been initiated and let's see how it goes. In the meanwhile, what I will do is I will analyze some other stocks. Okay, so let me just open this one. This is Nifty 50 and I want to analyze some of the stocks which are actually giving a breakout right now, and you can definitely make an entry. So first stock is Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto has given a good move today and has gone up more than 5%. The reason being they have in a joint venture with Triumph, they are releasing a motorcycle of 400cc. Okay, yesterday Hero MotoCorp and Harley Davidson launched X440, and because of that Hero share went up by 4.5%, whereas Eicher Motors shares dropped because Eicher Motors Royal Enfield is a direct competitor of Harley Davidson as of now, because Harley Davidson was not in the league but now it has entered the league, and the prices are also similar, like Royal Enfield Classic, Royal Enfield Meteor. So the price band is almost the same for Harley Davidson X440. That's why the market believes that it could give a tough competition to Bullet, okay, or Royal Enfield, and that's why Eicher Motor crashed a little bit. Today Bajaj Auto has gone up by 5.78%. I have done a complete analysis video of all the auto stock, Nifty auto stock yesterday. You can check that video. I did a live stream yesterday. Okay, so along with that, let me just do the analysis once again. Okay, Bajaj Auto. Okay, yes, you can see the big green candles. Okay, let me switch to auto. Yes, okay, so this is the weekly time frame and you can clearly see that the price is going up very strongly. Now if I go to daily time frame, I am getting to see this, and I think it is supported by the 50 days moving average. This is the daily time frame and you can see this big green candle. Okay, let's confirm it with the volume that it's a valid move or not, and you can see the big volume bar here. Okay, you can see the big volume bar, which is clearly telling us that this is a valid move. Okay, this big green candle is valid, and not just people are not just pumping the price, it is a valid move. Okay, so you can definitely make an entry in Bajaj Auto, okay, in the next trading day itself, no problem with that. Okay, you are completely good to go. And you can, and don't forget to check that news that I told, that Bajaj Auto is tying up with Triumph to release the 400cc motorcycle. It came the news just came today only. You can check that one. Okay, and let's try to see how much percent return Bajaj Auto has given after the COVID crash. Okay, So this is the COVID crash. Let me just hide the volume for now to keep the chart a little bit clear. Okay, it went to a low of around 1791. Okay, 1791, and now it is at 4872. So 169% move. Okay, and this trend line can be drawn like this also. Okay, but it does not matter because it has already crossed that phase. Okay, and if I enable the 50 period moving average, you can clearly see in weekly time frame, the 50 weeks moving average was clearly giving support to the price at this level, and that's why we got to see this big break. And after that, Bajaj Auto kept going up. Okay, and today's today's trending news is that Bajaj Auto gained 5.78% in a single day, this big green candle. Okay, so you can definitely make an entry in Bajaj Auto. It looks good, the future looks promising as per the price action. Okay, now let's go to another important stock which I feel that it is the right time to make the entry, and that is Divi's Lab. Okay, let me show you this list. So you can see Divi's Laboratories. Okay, it has also gained 5.6%, around 5.6% today. Okay, which is a big move, and it has been falling for a long time. Let me just show you the chart, you'll get to know. Divi's Laboratory. Okay, so let me just remove this support resistance line so that you can get a clear picture. I hope my audio is clear. Please confirm. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just turn off the fan. I hope my audio is clear. Please confirm. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just turn. I hope my audio is clear. Please confirm. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Let me. Hello, am I audible now? Okay. Hello. Okay. Am I audible now? Okay. Yeah, that's much better. So this is Divi's Laboratory, and you can see that Divi's Laboratories was falling continuously for a long time. Okay, it was falling continuously during this period. Let me just highlight. So this was the high it gave, around 5,300, and it came down to this level. Okay, this is around 2,800 almost at that price, and then we got to see some big price moves. Okay, you can see some big price move breaking this level, it started going up. Okay, so this is pretty interesting, and this is clearly telling us that Divi's Laboratory has started its uptrend. Okay, and people who are interested in this stock can definitely make an entry, no problem at all. Okay, right. Okay, so you can definitely make an entry here, and if I enable the 50 weeks moving average, so this is the 50 days, you can see in 50 days it has started turning upward, and in 50 weeks also this trend line, the 50 weeks trend line has started slowly turning upwards. And instead of 50 EMA, if I use the 30 WMA, then you can see the better picture that it has already started turning in upward direction. Okay, so definitely you can make an entry in Divis Lab, and obviously it is one of the best fundamentally strong stocks that you can find in Nifty, in Indian stock market. Okay, it has a debt of very less, like 3 or 4 crores maybe, and the market cap of maybe 50 to 60,000 crores. Okay, so definitely this is a very good stock. Now let's go to the other stock, and that is SDFC Life Insurance. Okay, no, yes, that is Colgate Palmolive. Okay, Colgate Palmolive. Okay, this is the stock. So you can see, I will first go to the monthly time frame, and you can see how nicely this stock is. This is a continuously growing stock. Okay, it was listed at the price of 207 in around January 2008. Okay, or maybe December 2007. Okay, and till now it has given a return of around 800%, 778% max. Okay, in just around 5,000 days. So in 15 to 16 years it has given around 770% return. But the interesting thing is that this stock was consolidating for a long time. Okay, I think I got a message. Okay, yeah, so this stock was consolidating for a long time, since July 2021. Okay, you can see this region, July, so that now it is July 2023. So for 2 years it was consolidating like this, and finally we got to see a breakout. Okay, if I enable the 50 weeks moving average, okay, you can see how nicely it is giving support, and it has given support in the past as well. You can see here, and almost here again. Okay, again here, okay, so continuously it is giving support, and the recent one, which is this one, is giving support and also helping it to give a breakout above this trend line. Okay, above this trend line. So this confirms the beginning of a new trend for Colgate Palmolive. Okay, if I go to weekly time frame now, we can see the price action even better. Okay, you can see this big green candlesticks. Okay, all this. Okay, and in this week this big green candle along with that. Okay, now also let's check the volume to confirm if it's a valid breakout or not. Okay, so we can see some pretty big volume bars as well, which has gone above the 30 weeks average. Okay, this is a weekly time frame, so above this 30 weeks average it is going. Okay, big volume bars and big candlesticks, clearly telling that this stock is going up. Okay, so that was about Colgate Palmolive, and this is a very stable company. It's a stable stock with very good fundamentals. So if you want to stay invested in a company with strong fundamentals, okay, you want a safe investment, conservative, a conservative approach to investment, then blindly you can go for this stock. Okay, because the fundamentals are strong, and the technicals also clearly is telling us that it is giving a breakout, and I will make a complete separate video on Colgate Palmolive within few days. Okay, because this stock definitely deserves a full analysis, fundamental and technical. Okay, so don't worry, I will do an analysis. But if you want, for now, if you want to initiate a trade or investment in this one, definitely you can without any second thought. It's a very good stock. Okay, now let's go to our next stock. Let's check which one. You can also mention in the comment if you want me to do the analysis of any particular stock. Okay, now let's do the analysis of a dividend company, and let's start with Coal India. Okay, a dividend company. Let's go Coal India. Okay, so here it is, Coal India, and you can see I have already marked too many drawings on this chart. The reason being I was tracking this stock. Okay, and okay, so we can see that after the COVID crash, okay, it went down to a low of around 113. Okay, and after that it started its uptrend. Okay, it started its huge uptrend, then it is consolidating above this black line. Okay, let me just remove all the drawings so that you can get a better view. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, so if I mark this as a support resistance line, okay, then you can clearly see that this level is acting as a resistance right now, which was acting as support earlier. Okay, you can see, sorry, I told the opposite. This level is acting as support right now, which was acting as resistance earlier. Here you can see the price did try to break above this level, but it failed badly, and then it was pushed down. Okay, it came to this level. This is the low after the COVID crash. Okay, it stayed there till October. After that it started going up. Okay, slowly and steadily it went up, and now it is staying above this level. This is 211. Okay, so what I will do is I will draw the fib retracement. Okay, so I'll draw the fib retracement, and you can clearly see that the price is staying above 0.618 level. Okay, price is staying above 0.618 level, and you can call this as a morning star, because a red candle, a doji, a big green candle. Okay, kind of a morning star, not a perfect one, but still. And even if we consider it as a morning star, I mean these three candles, we can clearly see that the trend is indicating a strong uptrend, because this big green candle is clearly telling us that the price action is strong here. Okay, and now if we zoom in little bit to the weekly and daily time frame, we can get a clear picture. Okay, so I will go to weekly time frame. Okay, here it is, and here again I can use the fib retracement tool to further track its price action. Okay, if you want to know, like if you want to make a fresh entry right now, then obviously you want to make the entry when the stock is actually getting, catching up a new trend, right? So I have used this one as the high, this one as the low, and you can see the price action. Okay, currently it is at 0.382 level. As soon as it breaks above 0.5 level and then makes it its support, this will be the perfect point of entry, 235. There you can straight away make an entry, because I'm pretty sure at that level this stock will also get the support of maybe 30 period moving average. Yes, it is already getting the support of 30 period moving average at this place. Okay, but you can see it is slightly breaching, but I'm pretty sure when it will come to this place, it will not go below this line. Okay, and it will get the support of 30 period moving average. Okay, as is the weekly chart, so it will be 30 weeks moving average, and definitely it will start going up from there. Okay, so this will be a perfect entry for this stock. Okay, Coal India. And also, Coal India is giving a dividend yield of around 8%, I think. So 8% is a very big, it's a big margin. Okay, just say 8% dividend yield is a lot. Average dividend stocks give 4 to 5, some give 6. I know Vedanta like company gives 34%, but that has happened just recently. Earlier they were not giving that much. Okay, and also Vedanta like companies are actually having a lot of debt, so it's better to avoid those companies. Okay, we just cannot consider the dividend yield factor for considering stocks for dividend. Okay, we have to check other things like the market cap, and if it is being profitable year on year or not. So all these factors also are very important, else these companies won't be able to give continuous dividends, because when we are buying a dividend company, obviously we are getting the payment maybe once or twice or maybe thrice. They are dividing and giving the payments like that. But let's say it is 7% or 8%, you are getting that for 1 year, right? So obviously you want the same return, or even better return, or at least same, okay, the next year. But if the company is a loss making company, how will it continue to give you dividend? It will be difficult for those companies. So better to stay avoid stay away from those companies. And Coal India is one of those companies which is actually giving consistent dividends, and its fundamentals are also good, and this is a growing company. Like year on year, the sales is also increasing, the operating profit is also increasing, earning per share is also increasing. So you can invest in these companies if you just want the dividend. Okay, right? So that is all about Coal India. Okay, and let me just do a small analysis in daily time frame for this one. So if I use the fifth retracement here like this, okay, then also I'm getting the same result. Okay, it has come here. If it stays above this 228 230 this level, okay, and goes above this one, then you can make an entry. So you can take a margin of around 230 to 235. Okay, if the price is staying strong above that level, then you can definitely make an entry for Coal India. Okay, so that is all about Coal India. Now let's go to the next company. Okay, Asian Motors, I have already done a very good analysis yesterday only, you can check that one out. And HDFC Bank is also done. We can do, okay, I'd like to HDFC, just HDFC. Okay, then we'll go back to crude oil status. I will give you the update, and then we can close this live streaming session. And again, if I get time tomorrow, definitely I will start the live streaming tomorrow and give you the update on crude oil. Okay, so HDFC. Okay, so this is HDFC, and if I go to monthly time frame, so we can see that HDFC is going strong. Okay, how strongly its price is going, you can see since 1999 it has been listed at the price of 22, and now it is 2845. So it has given a return of around 12,000%. Okay, let me measure again, 13,357. Okay, so that's a very very high return. Okay, so this is the power of investing. From 99 to 2023, it is around 24 years. So in 24 years, it has given a return of 12,000, sorry, almost 13,000. Okay, so that's really high. Okay, and this is also a very stable company with very good fundamentals. If you know about this stock, then definitely you are aware of this. And so this is the weekly price action. If I enable the 50 weeks moving average, you can clearly see that 50 weeks moving average is giving support to the present lows. Okay, it is giving support here, and very soon I think we'll get to see a breakout here, and the price will start going up. Okay, so this is actually a good time to make entry in this stock. Okay, see, I have drawn a channel pattern for HDFC, and you can see that currently the price is in lower half of the channel here. Okay, and whenever it is in lower half of the channel, it stays within this place and then it starts bouncing up. Okay, this is how it goes, and currently we are getting to see the same scenario. It is staying here, and very soon we might get to see a breakout here. So if you want to make an entry in HDFC, this is a good time to make an entry in HDFC. So the stocks that I have discussed today, all of these are actually fundamentally very strong stocks. Okay, Divi's Lab, then Bajaj Auto, and Hero Motorcorp I discussed yesterday only, HDFC. Okay, all these stocks, and recently I discussed Colgate Palmolive. That is also that is an excellent stock. Okay, and what else? Whatever I have covered today. Okay, and yesterday I made a video on Bajaj Finance also. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, both a single separate video. You can check that one also. Right. Coming to HDFC, we are seeing that this current price action is turning this resistance level into support. Okay, this was the resistance level. It gave a breakout here, and now it is acting as support, and now it is slowly going up. And we can obviously draw another trend line like this, and pretty soon this will give a breakout from this level. Okay, because it is being strongly supported by the 50 weeks moving average. Okay, so that was about all the stocks. Now let's go to our original topic. last 9-10 minutes, let's discuss about crude oil itself. Okay, so here it is, and here is our price action. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. All right, so let me delete this one. Okay, so we are getting to see a breakout for crude oil. Okay, in short time frame like 4 hours, it has already given a breakout. Let me show you here. It has already given a breakout, and the last candle for today is showing, you know, an inverted hammer here. Okay, and this candle was the breakout, and this hammer candle, Norman hammer candle, kept the price above this trend line. So very soon I think the uptrend will start and will hit the target of around 6100 that we have marked here, 6155. This is our target. It might hit the target very soon. Okay, so if you guys want to initiate trades for crude oil tomorrow, from the, you know, starting hours like morning hours, then definitely you only prefer the long trades, because we are getting to see a fresh breakout, okay, in short time frame. And obviously if it stays above this line today and tomorrow also, then this will be confirmed that it's a actual breakout in daily time frame, and definitely it is going up. But I have taken one early entry. Okay, and if I get to see the confirmation in daily time frame, I will obviously add more units to it. Okay, so that is all about crude oil, and the market will close I think in next 30 to 35 minutes. I don't think we are going to see any major price action right now. We might get to see some fluctuations like this some kind of action like this, and we can go back to 15 or 30 minutes. It's okay if I enable 50 period moving average. Definitely the next breakout will occur only when it gets support from either this line or the 30 weeks line. Okay, so 30 weeks line is not very likely to give support here, because it will pass through the prices. Right now, seeing the current trend, only 50 weeks could give it the support. Okay, and after giving a price action like this, it should give a breakout from here, okay, above this level, and this will be the perfect point for entry. Okay, currently I have made an early entry. Okay, just for checking how accurate these things are. Okay, I have made an early entry, and after the breakout I will add more units. Okay, but if you want to play it safe, then only wait for the confirmed breakout. Okay, currently it is consolidating here around this region, and it might continue for next maybe 5 to 8 hours or 10 hours. Okay, this could take place. Okay, after that it could give the actual breakout and start going up. Okay, so that is all about crude oil, and that is all for today's session. I hope this live stream was useful and you learned something new, and if I will definitely try to come live for more crude oil sessions, because we get time in the late evening. Okay, and it remains open till 11:30 p.m. Okay, so we have a lot of time, so I will definitely try to come online live once again, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and also with some new stock analysis. Let's see how tomorrow's market goes, and if I see any fresh breakout in any high quality stocks, and I will definitely make one analysis video for you all. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the other videos for my playlist. Subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos and live stream. I'll meet